Good morning, children. How are you all? See, we completed our previous chapter that was leaves. Now we will go towards the next chapter, importance of plants. I hope you all have seen the video which I have sent you yesterday. Yes, that clearly shows what are the uses and what are the importance of plants in our day-to-day life. Now, what do I have in my hand? Not a real plant, but the pots in our school are bigger, right? So I got a smaller plant. So this is a plant. And what are the different parts of plant we see? We see roots coming down, we see stems, we see branches, and we see green color leaves. Now, what are these? We find it on the plant only, right? What do we call for this? Nobody knows it? Yes, it is flower. And then yes, what it is a fruit. We get fruits from plants, correct? This is a common thing. We know that we get fruits or vegetables from plants, we get flowers from plants, and then yes, we eat the green part of the plant also, that is leaves also. Some plants leaves also we eat as green leafy vegetables, which is more healthy. Apart from these things, we are going to see some more uses of the plants which we use in our day-to-day life. You might have gone and seen in your kitchen, your mother keeps using it. So let's get started. Children, okay, before that I would just want to tell you that you know it, right? Plants are very important part of our life, because plants gives us oxygen and we need oxygens, correct? And whatever the carbon dioxide we release from our body, who absorbs it? The plants absorbs it. They not only make us feel good, but they are very useful for plants. Not only make us good, see, everywhere when we see greenery we feel very good. If we see any dry land, do we feel good about it? No, we don't do it. So likewise, plants are not just for making us feel good, but it is also for many other benefits. So what are the uses of the plants? You might have seen yesterday. Just try to recall, okay? I'll just count 5. Just try to recall. See, when I am asking you to do some activity, you have to do it. No matter I am not able to see it, but I'll make sure your parents, I'll just call them up and ask them to just see whether they are doing it or not. Okay. On a count of 5, please try to recall. Okay, I hope you have recalled. See, we get wood from plants, we make paper from plants, we get cotton from plants, we get oil from plants, we get food from plants, we get oxygen from plant. You know what? And rubber, the rubber tires or rubber bands, anything rubber also we get it from plants. And how do we get it? Rubber also from plants. I know many of, like, if you are interested, I'll send you a video also wherein how the rubber is being taken out from the plant is being shown. Can you see the plant? See, this is a big tree. We have a plant here. Flowers are there, fruits are there, leaves, stems. Correct? See, what all do we get from plants? We get, see, stems are being used. We get from roots, carrots, beetroots, turnips, radish, everything we get it from the roots. See, leaves. We have cabbages, we have green leafy vegetables. See, we have broccolis, we have cauliflower. See, fruits, we get seeds, vegetables, tomatoes, mangoes. So these are generally, we know that we get all these things from plant only. Let's see one by one what all do we get. See, we eat all this from, see, we get fruits from plants, we get vegetables from plants, correct? See, now grains. Where do we get rice from? Rice, wheat. Wheat is nothing but your chapati, roti, maize, nothing but your corns and everything. From where do we get? We get these from plants only. So plants gives us food to eat. Very important, right? See, all the dals, pulses, all the different pulses we get from plants. Yes, very important, right? Tea and coffee. See, tea we get it from leaves. These kind of leaves, we pluck it from the plant, we dry the leaves, and this is what the tea prepared. Coffee, see, coffee also, coffee plants we get it. See, can you see the fruit of the coffee plants? Yes. So we take this out, we take the beans, we dry it, we grind it, and we make a coffee, this one. So we get tea and coffee from plants only. So every day parents will be drinking tea and coffee. But children's, one thing, tea and coffee, drinking of tea and coffee is not good for the health if you drink it for a regular time. And for the children's, it is not at all allowed. See, we get sugar cane. From the sugar cane plant, we get sugar, and from using sugar, we make sweets. Yes, how many of you like sweets? Many of you like sweets, right? But eating of more sugary thing is also injurious to health. So eat it in a limit. Let's see what all else we get it from plants. Yes. I want you to see this. Come on. What is this? Mirchi, red chilies. What is this? Spices. This is tej patta leaf, tej patta leaf. Cloves, lavang, turmeric, chili powder, black pepper. Where do we use all these things? We use these. These are nothing but spices. We use spices for making different food items, correct? Pepper, we get pepper seeds. If we dry it, we get this. Cloves, you know what, one interesting thing about cloves, children? Cloves is nothing but flower. Clove is a flower. The clove plant's flower is nothing but clove. So we take that flower out, we dry it. When we dry those flowers, it becomes like this black color. These are nothing but flower part. Turmeric, we get it from plants. We take that turmeric, it looks like ginger only. It looks like ginger type turmeric. We get it, we grind it, we get this one. Chili powder from chili. From where do we get chili? Plants. These are nothing but spices. From where do we get these kind of powders? From the plants, leaves, stems, branches. Correct? So many things we get it from plant. Now see, let's see. Oh my God, what it is next? Wow, what it is? Coconut oil. From where do we get coconut oil? From the coconut. From where do we get the coconuts? We get coconut from coconut trees. See, what do we get from coconut? Let's read it once again. Coconut oil, we get it from coconut. So we use this coconut oil for applying to our hairs because it helps to have a healthy hair. Plus, many part of India or many part of country, they use this coconut oil also to make food items. Let's see. Yes. Like how we get coconut oil from coconut. From groundnuts, we get groundnut oil. From mustard, nothing but rye. We use rye, right? In that we will have rye. Mustard is gone from mustard seeds, and we use these for cooking. Correct? Ask your parents what all the cooking oils are. Vegetable oils, groundnut oils, then sunflower oil, mustard oil. These things we use it for cooking. So we get oils. See, soya bean oil. See, from soya bean we make soya bean oil. From olive oil. Now let's come to medicinal. See, till now we saw we get vegetables, fruits, pulses, spices, then oils. Now we are seeing we get medicinal plants. Can you see basil? Basil is nothing but, in India we call it as the Indian basil is tulsi plant, eucalyptus oil. So these are medicinal plants. If you have cold and cough, you can have some kadha or juice made out of basil, a little. If parents, you have you seen, like, you might have seen the parents, they put tulsi in the tea, they drink it because it will get rid of your cold and cough. Eucalyptus also helps us in get rid of cold and cough, plus if you have body pain or anything, so we use such kind of things for this one. Now let's see few more things. Yes, fibers. See, we have seen this potli, right? Jute type potli, jute bags, jute these things. From where do we get it? We get it from jute plants. They secrete jutes. Okay, thick jute. Whatever these kind of boris we make it, right? We call it as jute bags. So those threads we get it from jute plants, and we make it lots of different bags. Please, correct? You might have seen it a lot. So we get fibers also from that. Now what are you seeing on my screen? Yes, we can see some sort of clothings, correct? These are clothes, pants and t-shirt. From where do we make pants and t-shirts? Especially this cotton, we say, right, we need cotton dress, cotton t-shirt, cotton dress, cotton. So what is cotton? Yes, this is cotton, correct? We get fibers, we get clothes, we make cotton from cotton plants, correct? We wear these kind of clothes for comfort. So we get clothing also from plants. So whenever we take this cotton, we make it like a thread and we make clothes out of it. See how it is made? See, here is a pile of cotton. See, this auntie is having cotton in her hand, and see how she is weaving. Okay. Who doesn't like perfumes? Everybody has one bottle of perfume for sure. From where do we make perfumes of different fragrance? So you tell me, which part of the plant gives fragrance? Flowers. Mostly all the perfumes are made from flowers only. If you don't have flowers, will you get nice perfumes? No. So we make perfumes from flower only. See, these kind of plants, we make ornaments out of it. We make jewelries out of it. Yes? One biggest important thing. Furniture, table, chair. From where do we make all these things? We make it with wood of the plant. Correct? I'll just show you where is my plant. Where did my... Yes. Can you see this one? This part of the plant, they use it and make this. Correct? They use this one to make the furnitures, lakdi. Correct? See, chairs are made with plants. Doors, windows. From where do we make it? See, we use such kind of thick trees, oak trees and all. So we use plants from, see, with taking these part of wood, we make tables, stools, all those kind of things. The papers, books, paper of the plants. Papers are made from plants only. In earlier chapter we told you, right? In early days, people used to use leaf for writing. So nowadays, industry has grown so much that we have big machineries using plants. They make the paper only. Papers, we get it from this one. Now what it is? It's a bamboo tree. Bamboo trees are also used for making houses. Now, yes, I was telling you, right? I'll show you how rubber. Can you see? This is a rubber plant. See, white color juicy thing is coming out of the plant. It's a liquid here. This liquid is collected, and when it is dried, it becomes rubber. So using this rubber, see, we make erasers, your normal erasers, then tires, rubber tires. These tires, How do we make these tires? These tires outside cover, we make it using the rubber only. Which is that rubber? Yes, this juice is taken into the company, they dry it, they mix some chemical, and they make such kind of rubber. See, now you saw how many. So we wear this chappals also, right? From where do we make these chappals and all? Using rubbers only. Now one more interesting thing. This is a acacia tree. And now why do we use, what is the use of acacia tree? One more thing I'll show you. Can you see something? On these acacia trees, this is a liquid which is secreted and it becomes a little hard stuff on the plant. What is this? This is nothing but glue. Yes, we make glues also from the plant only, which use for sticking different kind of things, correct? Even we use these kind of glue to make sweets also. Now you saw how important is it? See children, you saw, right? What all we get it from plants. We get fruits, we get vegetables, we get rices. Rices are nothing but your grains, pulses, green leafy vegetables. Then we saw spices. We saw what all spices we saw. We saw cinnamon. Cinnamon is nothing but your dalchini. Then we saw cloves. Cloves is a flower part of the plant. We saw bay leaves. Bay leaves is nothing but your tej patas, this cardamom, different kind of spices. Elaichi, which I say cardamom, then black pepper, then chili powder, turmeric powder. These are nothing but the masalas or garam masalas which we use in our food items. From where do we get these? We get it from plants. Then we saw that we get wood from plants, we get cotton from plants. From cotton we can make lots of clothes and all. We saw that we make oils from plants. We saw what all we saw, which all oils? Coconut oil, eucalyptus oil, vegetable oil, nothing but groundnut oil. Then what all? Groundnut oil, olive oil. These things we use it for making cookings and for our hairs, for your body health and all. And we get oxygen from plants. We saw we get rubber from plants, we get glue from plants, we get fiber plants, we make medicine out of plants. See, so many important things. Imagine if you don't have this on your earth, if you just cut it every time, if you start cutting this tree, and if we don't have it, imagine if you don't have this one, what it will. Yeah, one more thing. What did I say? With flowers, what do we make? So please make a video and send me. I am not telling you. From flower, what do we make? See, I showed you one thing saying that with flowers we make perfumes. Apart from perfumes, one assignment for you is, you just tell me with the flower, apart from perfumes, what all can be made. For today, only this much. Next topic for tomorrow. Bye.